Have you ever wondered how the music you listen to every day might be influencing your brain? Whether you're jamming to your favorite playlist on the way to work, or using calming melodies to unwind after a long day, music is more than just entertainment. It's a powerful tool that can shape the way we think, feel, and even improve our cognitive abilities. In today's video, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of music and its impact on our brain power. By the end of this video, you'll have a whole new appreciation for those tunes you can't live without. Let's get started. The science of sound, how music interacts with the brain. To understand how music influences brain power, we first need to grasp how our brain processes sound. When we listen to music, it's not just our ears that are engaged. The auditory cortex, located in the temporal lobe of the brain, plays a crucial role in decoding the sound waves into meaningful patterns that we recognize as music. But the magic doesn't stop there. The vibrations of sound stimulate neural pathways that reach far beyond just the auditory cortex. Music activates multiple areas of the brain simultaneously, including those involved in movement, memory, and emotion. This multifaceted engagement is why music can trigger a wide range of emotions, bring back vivid memories, and even get you to tap your foot to the beat without thinking. The Mozart effect. Can music make you smarter? One of the most well-known theories linking music and brain power is the Mozart effect. This theory suggests that listening to classical music, particularly compositions by Mozart, can temporarily enhance spatial temporal reasoning, a skill crucial for solving puzzles, mathematics, and even complex thought processes. But does this mean that listening to Mozart will make you smarter? Research has shown mixed results. While some studies suggest a temporary boost in specific cognitive abilities after listening to classical music, this effect tends to be short-lived and varies greatly among individuals. What's more important to note is that it's not just classical music that can have an impact. Any music that you enjoy and find engaging can stimulate brain activity, improving mood, and even fostering creativity. Music as a mood enhancer, the emotional power of tunes. Music is a universal language of emotion. It has the ability to uplift your spirits, calm your nerves, or even bring a tear to your eye. This emotional connection to music is deeply rooted in the brain's limbic system, particularly the amygdala, which is responsible for processing emotions. Listening to music you enjoy triggers the release of dopamine, a neurotransmitter often referred to as the feel-good chemical. This release is similar to what we experience when we eat our favorite foods, exercise, or achieve something rewarding. The boost in dopamine levels can enhance your mood, reduce stress, and even improve your overall mental well-being. Furthermore, the rhythmic and repetitive aspects of music can serve as a form of self-regulation, helping to stabilize mood swings and manage emotional states. This is why many people turn to music as a form of therapy, using it to cope with anxiety, depression, and even chronic pain. Music and memory. Why tunes can bring back the past. Have you ever heard a song that instantly transported you back to a specific moment in your life? This powerful connection between music and memory is due to the way music engages the hippocampus, the brain center for memory and learning. Music can serve as a cue for recalling vivid memories, often more effectively than other sensory triggers like sight or smell. This phenomenon is why certain songs can remind you of high school, a past relationship, or a significant life event. Interestingly, music therapy is often used in treating patients with Alzheimer's disease and other forms of dementia. Familiar songs can evoke memories and emotions that may seem lost, helping patients reconnect with their past and even improve cognitive function. This demonstrates music's profound impact on memory and brain health. The rhythm of productivity, how music affects focus and performance. Not only does music influence our emotions and memories, but it can also play a significant role in how well we perform tasks. Many people find that listening to music helps them focus and be more productive, whether they're studying, working, or exercising. Background music, especially instrumental or ambient tunes, can help reduce distractions by masking disruptive noises. This creates an optimal environment for concentration. Additionally, music with a steady rhythm can help synchronize brain waves, leading to improved focus and sustained attention. However, the impact of music on productivity isn't universal. While some people thrive with music in the background, others may find it distracting, particularly if the music has lyrics or a fast tempo. The key is to find the type of music that works best for you and the task at hand. Boosting creativity, the role of music in creative thinking. Creativity often thrives when the mind is relaxed and open to new ideas. Music can be a powerful catalyst for this state, helping to break mental blocks and inspire innovative thinking. Listening to music that you enjoy can increase dopamine levels, fostering a positive mood that encourages creative thought. Moreover, research has shown that certain types of music, such as classical or jazz, can enhance divergent thinking, a key component of creativity. Divergent thinking is the ability to generate multiple solutions to a problem rather than focusing on a single answer. By stimulating this kind of thinking, music can help you approach challenges from new angles and discover creative solutions. And there you have it. Music is more than just a pleasant background to our lives. It's a powerful tool that can enhance brain power in numerous ways. From boosting your mood to improving memory and even fostering creativity, the right tunes can have a profound impact on your mind. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the science of music and brain power, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more fascinating insights into how we can harness the power of our minds. What's your go-to song for boosting your brain power? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and keep those tunes playing.